I'm Joshua Bardwell, and I'm here to let you know that Liftoff is having a free Steam weekend this weekend. It means if you want to try Liftoff out for free, you go on Steam, you download it, you install it, you can play it all weekend for free. You don't get to keep it forever. This is a common mistake that people have been annoyed when Monday comes around, and no, that's the whole point. You don't get to keep it for free, but you get to try it, and then hopefully you like it, and then you pay for it, right? That's their game. But in order to, I was like, okay, well, let's play some Liftoff. I have got access to an up-and-coming level. It's not available yet because they don't want to release this brand new level right before the free weekend and then potentially, oh no, a bug. But I've got access to this new level that I think you guys are going to like. So I'm going to give it a try and try to recreate one of the most famous quadcopter moves ever done. Because, oh yes, here we are. We are going to do the Duga Dive. That's right, Liftoff is gonna be releasing soon a level based on the famous Duga? I don't know how to say it. The famous antenna made famous by Oh My God when he did the Duga Dive and dove down. And I'm gonna see if I can recreate that, as well as just having a good old freaking time. Doing some freestyle. I would never be this brave in real life. Let's see if we can just build up to it. Donk. Okay. Wow, the details here are crazy. Oh my God, they've got all the wires. How did they do this? Come on, you guys. I mean, I guess it's repetitive. Maybe they model it once and... Oh, there's ladders up it. Look at that. I guess that makes sense. Look, there's ladders. What the hell was this thing designed to be? I mean, I know it's an antenna. Thank you. Thank you, commenters. Okay, once you're in and lined up, it's easy to keep going. It's getting out without crashing that's tricky. It's Maddie under here. Woo! I love this no battery thing. Yeah, not having battery simulation. Doing these climbs in real life would be kill your battery. I love flying against big flat surfaces like this. Like, just playing with gravity, and it gives you a perspective on your moves that you don't have, because, like, normally when you do a power loop, you just can't see, like, what's happening. You just have to kind of guess. But here you can just see exactly how your vectors, your velocity is changing. I feel like doing, like, power loops up against obstacles like this is actually a really good way to learn. Luck, pure luck. Oh, yeah. See, that's one of those scenarios where you just cross your fingers and hope you miss. And if you get it, it looks awesome. It's a lot easier to do this in the simulator than on a real quad. Ha! Obviously. Alright, should we go for it? I think this is the gap that Tommy dove down. No, this is the open. It's here. That's the gap he dove down. Not this one, which is... This one here is easy. Oh, are they the same? I think his was closed in the back. This one's open and you have an escape. I think he did the hard one. Okay, so let's try and do the hard one. It's getting out. That's the challenge. Oh, I hit the ground for sure. But there you go, guys. I did it. I did the Duga dive. Well, in the simulator. Of course, I'm cheating. I have a modern quad. Well, I have a simulator. Back in the day, quads flew much worse. And that was a lot harder to do. How about we do one for old Cricket? How about we do one Cricket style? Nope. Nope. Okay, hang on. We'll get this. You have to count them if you really want to come out at the bottom. Oh, phooey. Oh! I want to go under that. Can you go under that? It looks like there should be a gap. But can you actually make it? Well, sort of. How about we knife edge this? Can you? I think you should be able to make it. Yes! Yes! One trick to knife edges is if you're going to roll left, approach from the right. Nope. Turtle mode. Turtle mode. Well, guys, that's it. Not a great big long video here. Just want to let you guys know Liftoff is having their free weekend. You do not get access to this level. You get access to a whole bunch of other great levels, including my house. If you want to come fly at my house, please don't come fly at my house. Not without an invitation. But you can fly at my house in Liftoff Simulator anytime you want. And I got to tell you, it is surprisingly... People are like, it feels so small, but your house looks so big. It feels pretty much like flying the real thing. There's races, there's freestyle, there's free flight, there's online, there's all kinds of good stuff. And if you have never flown Liftoff before, give it a look. That's it. I'm out. Whoop. Or maybe I'm just going to play for another hour. But I'm not going to make you sit here and watch. Happy flying, everybody. Oh, no! No! There we go. Got it. Ooh, I want that. Just look straight up and sort of sideways. Can we do that?